Oh, it's so pretty. Hello, y'all know who it is. It's me, Luciano. Welcome to my show. Welcome to this video and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. So, just a very cute and quick FYI, Makeup Wednesdays are Wednesday videos where you and I would deal with anything makeup, drag, makeup, fashion related stuff. And okay, and that being said, let's dive into today's video. And that being said, we'll jump first with the primer. We are going to use Detail Cosmetics Illuminating Primer in Rose Oil.
これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫
Yes, we are done laying down the primer and we look very illuminated, and as you may have known by now, we are going to go for the look of a Virgo for the Virgo season. We are going to try the Virgo season glam like this one and this one, but a simpler and more toned down version. Okay, and yeah, we are now going to proceed with the foundation, which I will be using Everblana Advanced All Day Liquid Foundation in Olive. Now, as I am going to proceed with the foundation, I would just like to tell you guys that this video is the second attempt for a shooting for Makeup Wednesday, because first I tried like a drag look Virgo look or glam edition earlier. However, the whole eyeshadow look got very messed up and it really pissed me off. I almost did not continue filming, but you know, here we are very resilient, so we have to keep it moving, be classy and graceful. So yep, I am now going to place in the foundation. Yes, and we are done laying the foundation. We just gotta blend it more. And that said, we are now going to proceed with the concealer. We are using Says Lady, which I got from Shopee, a full covered concealer and warm natural shade. Where's our concealer applicator? But yeah, we are now on the first day of September 1st. And how was your August, guys? Mine has been very productive. I started, doing this YouTube channel. My end of the month scores or metrics at work, they are all green across the boards, meaning I have such stable performance and a very great performance. Who's doing it like me? Nobody. So yeah, I'm just going to finish laying down the concealer and I'll be right back. Yes, I am looking all cute and all that. We have kind of highlighted the call center marks and it went away for the time being, and also the blemishes are also gone. The concealer did its wonder, and we are now going to proceed with the cream contour, which we will be using for colors in shade 04 brown. We are going to sculpt. We are going to perform some Michelangelo Buonarroti type of moment going on, and let's do it. Yes, it's too sharp. Yes, there you go. And we need the brush for the nose, because the face has to be sculpted and the nose has to be snatched. Yes, our face is sculpted, our nose is snatched. Ooh, hit it. And yeah, semester is going to start very soon. I think my semester is going to start on September 20th. I'm kind of very excited about it and also very nervous because It's my third year, and third year is the most hectic part where it has a lot of undergraduate theses. I mean, a lot of theses and paperwork making, not a lot of undergraduate. But yeah, I'm just kind of nervous and excited on how I may budget my time, but I'm sure we'll push through. I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna survive, keep on surviving. Yes, we just gotta continue blending the cream contour so we can proceed with the powder side of things. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to proceed with the powder contour from Says Lady again, the contour and highlighter palette, and some help of EV Advanced, the contour palette, and let's go do it.
これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫
Now the face is, the base is laid, so we are now going to proceed with the eye work. With the eye look. So first of all, we are going to prime our eyes using Detail Cosmetics eyeshadow primer. All eyes on you. Yes, all eyes on me, and it's all eyes on us. So yeah, let's put it now. Let's put it on. Now we are done putting the eyeshadow primer. I kind of have this thought of like expanding my horizon in terms of my makeup technique, because I think it's very 2016. It's very like Instagrammy type of thing, because the way I'm putting things is like very 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 and I have to like find new videos. So if you have like inspirations, or if you have like video recommendations, kindly comment down below so I may check it, because this will not cut it in the long time. I know it's just makeup, I know it washes off, but I still have to be presentable. I still have to like get in with the time. Alright, and before we proceed with the eyeshadow side of things, we are going to use this Detail Cosmetics Makeup Pro Starter Eyeshadow Pen in the shade, I don't know, what shade are you? It's in the shade brown. And we are just going to fill in our eyebrows, rather, not eye. Yes, filling it in. Oh, yes, is it even visible? Let's hope so. And let's brush it. Let's brush it. Yes. Yes, look at the eyebrows. And yeah, since this is our inspiration, together with this photo here, I think we are going to follow the color stories just like this one and this one. We are going with the green, with the pink, violet type of vibe. So that said, let's as what we are going to first use is Detail Cosmetics Egyptian palette. We are going to dive into Obelisk right here for the green part right here. Let's get into it.
これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫
Yes, the green is late, so we are going to proceed with using this this beauty glaze palette right here, and we are going to use this pink shade, called pink and called Barbie. Let's get into it. Sabi ko na part.
これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫これなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなにこれなに猫
Yes, Barbie things does. And we are going to go back to Detail Cosmetics Egyptian palette. We are going to use this shade right here called Sahara, and we are going to like clean out the edges for it to look sharper. Let's do it. And let us add this Thebes and Temple shades here to like lay it out where the wing liner would go. And we are just going to go back with this palette yet again and use this obelisk shade to kind of mirror the green shade down on our lower lash line. And yes, that's Barbie things, that's Barbie things. We are almost done with the eye look, but we are now just going to proceed with the lips, and we are going to line it using our Bolena matte lip liner in the shade Violet. Just kidding. What shade is this? Yeah, Vivid Violet. Vivid Violet. Okay, let's put it in. Let's put it on. And to top it up, we are going to use Detail Cosmetics Simply Matte Lipsticks in the shade Empty and Touchy. The first one would be Touchy here. Let's see. Ooh, okay. She looks pretty. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay. And blend it in like a mom going to church. Yes, it's looking pretty so far. And we are going to like put this shade Empty in the middle to have like a gradient effect. Yes, we are almost done, looking pretty and all that. So we are just going to finish the eye look, put some fake lashes, put some beauty marks, put on some wig, and I'll be right back. And guys, while I'm putting on some mascara, I would just like to go on here and plug my shop in Shopee. I will be linking it down below. I sell personal, full, and official photo cards from the albums that I have unsealed so far in this channel. So if you have the time and if you're curious about it, check it out. I have their Rosé's K-Town for You POB, BTS Essential Edition albums, PC1 I believe, and I have their Mark II ones, from God7, Bread of Love, Last Piece, and I also have like a different things there. And check it out, okay? Now let me finish this look. Bats eyelashes, blink stare. So yeah, this is the final look. This is my interpretation of the Virgo season makeup glam. Yes, I'm very satisfied about it. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I do hope that it was fun for you. I was able to provide you some fun and comfort. And yep, kindly hit the like button on this video. Kindly check out my Shopee link down below. And also, check out my other videos. They are good too. And click like on most of the videos that you would like. Leave any comment that you would like. Make sure it's respectful, it's constructive, and all that. Yes, I look very charming, enticing, surprising, and mystic. But yeah, as I was saying, leave a like on this video. Check out my other videos, they are good too. And subscribe to my channel. It's new video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And also, I do hope that this video started and ends with you being well, taking great care of yourself, being in love and motivated about yourself, about your endeavors in life. Please always be safe out there. And also, this has been Makeup Wednesdays, made with love, Luciano. I'll see y'all on Friday. Bye for now.